Hey, sorry I missed your calls. I've just been so busy with life for the past few years. I had to make some compromises. But to be honest, I kind of miss you. I miss those walks we had together. It's crazy to think how long I've been away from you. You're my favorite thing on this earth, yet I barely spend time with you. We used to be together for hours and hours every day, but as we got older, I saw you less and less. All these time-consuming things, school, jobs, even hobbies, they always seem to win over you. Seeing all the trees just makes me think of how slow we are to grow, yet how fast time goes by. We started off as this little thing, and as we intertwined, we grew into something so fascinating. We were fortunate enough to meet in the right place. It was a beautiful sight, seeing you as the sun radiated through the trees. Your spirit gave life to everyone around you. You carved your own path, and others followed. I just wish I could have used more of my time with you. When I'm with you, I feel so alive and at peace, distracted by your beauty. I know you've been calling me, and I want to answer. I want to be with you, but things just aren't the way they used to be. I'll call you later.